By definition, after graduating, yes, you could call me a scientist after doing this project. This is a little new to me. My experience is more in botanic gardens. I'm not a lab tech, but just a horticulturist right now. We are at NPEC at Wageningen University, and NPEC stands for Netherlands Plant Eco-Phenotyping Center. Phenotyping is looking at the certain traits of a plant and look at the certain traits that they want for plant breeding. Rhizotrons are these glass plates that you can grow plants in, and therefore you can see the root grow, and therefore you can study the roots of these plants without having to destruct the plant or pull it out of the ground to see the root. So it'll scan every day, and then eventually it'll have a time lapse of the root actively growing. The way you can control the settings in these greenhouses can be really fun. I already knew that this is what I wanted to do for the rest of my life, was grow plants. So after that experience, I said, okay, I know how to put a plant in the ground, but I want to learn the science behind it now. I saw these fascinating things happen, and I saw these small plants turn into beautiful mature plants, colors changing, flowers appearing, different pollinators for different plants, and I just wanted to know why. Why was this plant attracting this pollinator? Why did this plant have 10 flowers and this one only had 1 flower? And how did they get to be so beautiful and so colorful? Because obviously that's great for our aesthetic gardens and stuff, but I don't think they just decided to be pink for fun or purple for fun or something like that. Like I knew there had to be a reason, and I knew that I could learn about it, so I decided to try as hard as I could to learn as much as I could. Plants have changed my life in a lot of ways. There's a term that was coined a long time ago called plant blindness. And it's basically noting the fact that no matter where you are, indoors, outdoors, there's most likely at least one plant around you. And most people don't notice that. And I definitely didn't notice that before I got into plants either. But I found myself becoming obsessed with knowing every plant that was around me. And I really find that beautiful, how much life is in these plants.